Hello everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at addition.
Okay, so here we want to find the sum of 652 and 897. So we've got 652 and 897, and to find the sum means to add. Importantly here, when we're setting up our calculation, we need to make sure that our units columns, our tens column and our hundreds columns are all aligned. So to start with, 2 and 7 is 9. 5 and 9 is 14, so we put 4. And the 1 we are now going to be carrying above the line. Sometimes if we have the 1 here, sometimes people can forget it. So we're not going to use the 1 below the line, we're going to be using the 1, carrying the 1 above the line. 6 and 8 is 14, plus our 1 is 15. So the sum of these two values is 1,549. Okay, so here we want to find the total of 32.6 and 43.57. So 32.6 and 43.57. Important features here to notice that my tens column, my units column, my decimal point and my tenths column are aligned, but we'll hopefully notice a gap here. So 0.6 is the same as 0.60. And to help learners kind of tackle this problem, we always encourage them to put in any trailing zeros to try and make the place values all match up. So to find the total, we want to add these two values. We align our decimal point. So we want a decimal point here. So then we just go through our calculation. 0 and 7 is 7. 6 and 5 is 11. So we've got our 1 and our 1 left over. 2 and 3 is 5, plus our 1 is 6. 3 and 4 is 7. So the total of these two values is 76.17.